mean, guys, technically, this is a little bit of a buy signal from both the ES and YM, but don't want to do it this close in front of the open. So trade though. It is right in the middle of it too, isn't it? Look for clean, clean M's and W's to finish. Blazing down just a little bit. YM's got an a W finishing, but it's not really a good thing. Everybody that's new, struggling to be profitable, you guys know what to do. Be patient, wait for a little bit for the market to get some direction. Still don't like that W finished on the YM, but not really going anywhere, guys. And again, I think just be a little bit more patient here. I mean, I did call the W. Anybody experienced that or bigger count size that took the W on the call? That have permission to trade the open? Anybody do that? Nobody. Nobody, huh? All right, I'm gonna buy the next pullback. Get a chance. I think this might be a decent long signal here, guys. All right, again, bigger M's and W's. That's what we're looking for, guys. Not exactly what I wanted from the long signal, but it did pull back to a prior swing here. Maybe just to be a little bit more patient on it. Just being patient, people. We are just being patient. Good morning, Dave. All right, maybe back in this area, we probably get a good long signal, guys. Again, those of you who are newer to trading, I guess we got deep enough into the open now. I think everybody could probably look at this. Auto trader in for the win. There you guys go. Everybody have targets off. Everybody get in long. I'm assuming, right? Taking a wild guess. So we could look at the long from here. Got a nice little rejection wick there. 9 tick rule. Auto trader puts you into the trade. You guys getting a piece? Nice. Squeeze our stops up just a little bit. Guarantee profit. See if this thing's going to have any legs in it. Doesn't look like it's going to have any legs in it. And flat. All right, there you go. Nice little winner chicken dinner out of the gate. Good job, guys. Oops. We should probably expect some ranging in this area. Then dumping it down. Oops. Let me reshare my charts then. do I do, don't I? Oh, you know what? I need to refresh the room. Give me just a second, guys. There's another long signal that just happened though. Late on that. Check. Can everybody hear me? Testing. Check, check. 1, 2. Cool. Huh. That's odd. For some reason, it's not giving me the option to share my ES screen, guys. Oh, weird. Okay. Probably need to. Let me try this one more time. Sorry about that, people. If you get a bigger double bottom here, this might be a decent buy signal on the ES as you do have your own ES charts while I'm working on getting mine up. Might be a bigger buy signal.
Target filled.
What is going on? Nope. What's that nope for? I think I'm about to go out of the room, come back in altogether. Oh yeah, you got a little bit of news coming at 10.
Target filled.
All right, I'm just gonna have to refresh the room. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I think I got it this time, huh? Looks like an ES screen, I think. All right, here we go.
Hey, hey, what have I missed? Anything?
Everything.
Everything.
We took one a little long, little winner, and we were just being patient little traders right now.
All right. I like patience. Patience pays.
Let's see what we get here. Um, I don't know if this news will do too much. You got the 10 a.m. news as well.
Yeah, I got news at
Just
10.
can't imagine that being too much, though. Looks like they're trying to sell it down.
They are trying. NQs are short, that's for sure.
I mean, I guess realistically below the close from Friday. Should be anything holding it up, should there?
This thing should go. I'm gonna pull back up here and probably get in.
Yeah, it's probably going to be a decent little sell signal for me here in a
Yeah.
second, guys.
That's what I was thinking. I kind of like it.
If you want to do like a tick reversal or something, people. Decent little M, maybe a little bit higher up. But again, there's news coming, so those of you who are not trading in front of news, don't trade it.
Here's yourself. Come on. Hook.
I think I'm gonna wait until after the news. We had one
What
good
time's the
winner.
news? Oh, we got 10
10.
more minutes.
I think that's me personally. Had a nice little clean W on the YM, but I still think you should wait for the news.
You got to be patient here.
Probably not a horrible sell signal.
No.
YM's going into the zone. ES got a little M again.
Break
If you're
up
not a
to where that-
sniper, and if you're not green, you're not taking this trade. You're waiting for the news. Everybody else, dealer's choice. Target's off if you did it.
I'm in
You
it.
got the same thing on the YM.
I took
Short
it.
there.
Now just break. Come on.
There we go.
Come on.
All right.
There
You may that was already green from the earlier trades. Get in on that one too.
Anybody?
Nobody.
Just me? Jeez.
Just you. You're front running the news there, buddy.
There we go.
Hey,
Hey, Sailor.
Who got it? All right.
Lulu, I'm in. Cool.
I did not press a button. So
I figure we still got 10 minutes. It was okay with that.
yeah. Price action wasn't too erratic there.
Mm. Nice.
Good job,
Nice, Greg.
Stay in it, guys. This is one where I wish I would press the button.
Uh-huh.
Look at that. Me getting you guys into good trades and skipping on missing the good ones sometimes. Runner, chicken, runner.
Yep.
No reason to be out either, guys. Just have your stop, sit back, maybe around 74, 71, 71.50 maybe.
We still got time. Yeah, this is good. Hold on to this.
That's getting a little choppy. Still no reason to be out of it if you got short. You can move your stop down a couple ticks if you want. Or if you're trying to lock a runner in around around 69, you can do that. I still like the looser stop here. Around 71.50, I like that one better. But if you got a prop count, you might want to tighten it up a little bit. This thing is still going down there, people.
Jeez.
Again, dealer's choice on this, but it looks like a good stop, 69.25.
Yeah.
I don't want to be flat in front of the
I am
nose.
flat. I am flat. Good little trade. No, nothing wrong with that.
It's better than a kick square in the middle of the britches.
Where's old Boss Hog when you need him? Oh, he said he's gonna be jumping back on, so that's cool.
Yeah. I
That
get a
was
little
nice.
chat with him this weekend.
Yeah, he said you did. Said you guys talked it up.
Yeah. Oh, it's really hard to call that sell signal, but I know they're going to be selling this off, guys. This news is going to be nothing more than a catalyst for them to do that. But I'm going to stick to my plan. I'm going to wait until the news, like I said I was. I'm just be a patient little trader like everybody else. Who I am is just chopping around, so be aware of that. Alan, I called the short on the YM. Alan, did you get some of it, or did somebody's asking about the YM this morning? I don't know who was asking about it. I think it was Alan. All right, let's just see if the news does do something.
Man, I wish I wouldn't have got flat on that.
I know.
Oh well.
Huh. It's weird. Guys, let me grab some coffee real quick before the news.
Yeah. My zones aren't up for some reason. Huh. Try reloading. Try reload Ninja script. Right click, see if that works. Were they working earlier, or have they not been working at all? And they're still installed, right? Try reloading your Ninja script. That might work. Oh, we just missed I was looking at the thing. I just missed another entry there on a pullback. We're pretty close to the news now. I just wait till after the news. Huh. Try uninstalling them and putting them back in. See if that works. Anybody else having problems with their zones? Grid?
No, the
Zone?
signals with zones.
Yeah, are your zones working?
No, it froze my computer. Trying to enable the Liberty signals with the zones.
Yeah,
I have
there's.
managed.
I got to get Hugo. Are you listening? Because I know I've had that problem a few times. Hugo, are you in the room? I got to get with him later about that. Hold this second short. That you had another entry when it came back up there. I missed it. I wasn't looking at it. Few minutes to news here, so. Whew. See you later. Nice. Yeah, I got an area here too, and we got news too. We may get a bounce here, so we'll see. I mean, if you're short, just hold it. Probably with the news or 55. Anyway, who's short? Anybody?
No.
I was looking at the screen and I was looking at the chart. I was looking at there. I was like, oh man. Oh well.
It's a nice
What
one.
it is. That's how it goes. Yeah, I'm gonna send you a bill.
Is
Yeah.
a 20. We've seen this on the daily. We've seen price get rejected. So just be aware of that, guys. This could be a buying area for the big boys and girls. So again, I stick to waiting for the news.
I like that idea.
Like right now. And it's give me a place to get in. That was it.
Missed that.
Missed that one.
See you later, everybody. Maybe that was the last trade.
Push has some follow through with it. Just be careful. This could really be an area they want to buy from, guys. So let me fix some zones for everybody real quick. Yeah, watch this. Hate to say this, Trading Dog just showed up.
Bro.
Ruh-roh. Again, she just took her meds a little while ago, so let's just give her some
Jeez.
grace.
Give her some grace. Yeah, give her some grace.
First touch rule. On tip reversal. Shoot. That was a good one right there, guys. From a prior swing. Wow, sacrificing myself to get some zones updated. Stay short on that then, people. Dang it. That's one I wanted to grab too. You may grab that first touch rule from the zone. Nice
I
little
got scared and closed it early.
got to figure out how to keep stepping in those trades longer.
Yeah.
Anybody else on that?
I was a loser in the morning, so it was red 337, but I'm green 300 now. So I might just call it a day because
Yeah, you probably, with all the troubles you're having, man, you need to walk away.
you don't even know. I've been sitting here chatting with Tyler the whole time. I can't even take a trade with the grid. It's not working at all.
Yeah, if you're having those kind of issues, just step away, man.
Yeah.
That's going to cost you.
I'm green 300, and I hate Mondays.
Mondays are tough for people now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did we go below the overnight low?
Overnight low. Yeah, we already broke it.
Broke
47. Yeah, Gracia, don't do that if you're having problems. Guys, if you're having any kind of technical issues, don't try to trade.
47 even, was it? Yeah.
Yeah, 59.47 was the overnight low. If you get below this pivot, you got 10 maybe? 59.10? 20?
Probably 20.
I mean, 20 first, then 10? Yeah. 10's definitely, I got 10 as a.
Yeah, 10's a number that's probably pretty strong there. Let's see if we're inside that candle too.
Get another setup here.
Sell signal starting to
Yeah.
form.
This is a little late, I think.
I just don't like the way it's chopping up, but if you're green already, you could probably take a chance on it. Just, I don't like the way it's looking right now, so I'd stay away from it, guys. So we had the news. I mean, above the news highs, we kind of have to start switching our thought process on above the zone here around 57. We got to start thinking maybe they did just push push it back up. So we'll see. I mean, again, there's another M forming, but I'm not being very trustworthy of these 3 failed M's in a row. I'd like to see it go just a little bit higher. This is a prior swing, though, guys. I mean, the range charts just got chopping down, so it's just not the cleanest. Just not the cleanest. Oh, man. Well, yeah. I mean, that's good practice, Gracia. I hate to say it, but it really is good practice. If I had it my way, once a month I'd clean you guys' lines out and make you do it again. Until you have
Yeah,
it
that's
perfect.
smart until you got, yeah, exactly, till you perfected them.
Clean your lines out once a month. Pre-news. Back up to my little. Been a lot of wonky price action in this area too, people. Just keep that in mind. Remember, a lot of people got chewed up in these areas in the past. Why? How do I know that? Got these yellow lines all over my chart saying people got chewed up there. Be cautious. Be careful. Danger, Will Robinson. Danger. And again, like I said, above that 58 area, you kind of have to stop thinking short. Like I said, it could have just been one more little push down. I mean, they got all the way down. Look at this, guys. Today, that's already been down to exactly where they were buying from before. And then they push it back down to where they were buying from before. So I'm just not, I can't get super sold on the sell signals here, people. That's what I'm trying to make. How many times do we, keep trying to sell into something that people are buying, right? Does that make sense, guys? You take the clean little M's from the zones, but I'm going to be looking at changing my my bias here in a second when the 89 starts to turn up, and it stays above this little zone here, both my 60 and 15. To me, that's gonna signify that I could be a buyer. Build a little confluence around this. Stay above this little no-fly zone. Maybe get a little W to finish here, or they're just gonna screw with you on price action. I mean, that was a sell signal from the zone, but oof. Way out of, then don't trade if it's way out of whack. I just don't like this area thing, guys. I'm telling you. I said this last time. I said this first time it was here. I'll say this next time it's here. I'll say this right now when it's here. if you want price erratic stuff, try trading in this area. There you go. It couldn't stay above 58, so now we go to the flawed thought process, right? Price can't stay above X, then I've got to be a seller. So look for one more little test here at the swing. Maybe we'll take a sell signal if we get a nice clean one with an M or 9-tick rule or something like that. Not looking clean to me though. If you're brave, you could possibly take a shot. I just don't like it. This is not an area that I want to trade in, people. Let's put it that way.
Nah.
I'll keep the little green from the first trade this morning.
Yep.
Like this emoji. Who's that? Gracia. NT8 your homework.
My NT is way out of whack.
Don't trade. There's a little tiny hand that's trying to form right there, guys. But again, I want it to be a little bit higher if I want to get a sell signal out of this. You get the YM in the zone. You could possibly look for a reversal around that area on the YM. But I'm still going to throw that air of caution out there. If this is your first trade, don't take it. If you're not green, don't take it. If you're green, you got a couple ticks to burn. You can look for the short on the YM or the ES if the M finishes. If you're not green, sit on the sidelines for a little bit longer. Rejection wick, 9-tick rule from the ES. It's still not exactly what I wanted. So, but that's a sell signal. Both YM and ES.
Get a bigger M too.
Yeah, I called it for you guys. It's
Yeah.
just not what I wanted.
Yeah.
And it's probably going to go down and make you a little bit of money too. If you guys did it. If you got in when I said to. Here it goes. Anybody do that? Target's off on the YM. Target's off on the ES. Should be in a free and clear position if you press the button when I said to. There you go. Definitely everybody get targets off now. How many people getting a piece of that? Everybody should be getting a little piece of it. I called it for you guys. Or at least, unless it's not in your trade plan, which I can imagine maybe a couple people it's not in your trade plan, but most everybody should have had at least a look at that, especially if you're trading a 9-tick or tick reversals, both YM and ES. I should turn on my short button. Stops to 49.25. Good job, Greg. Yep, no trading if your ninja's out of whack, guys.
Nope.
Everybody else just stay on the short side. Now you can use a stop of 48.75 on the ES. YM, just get a couple ticks behind that mid Bollinger there at 9.25. And that's how easy it is. Is Greg the only one catching a piece of that? I would imagine somebody other than Greg would be. Even if you jump in a little late. ES stop is now 46.25. YM stop is now 9.11. Stay short. Stay short. But now we'll definitely look for a sell signal, personally, of any sort, to be honest with you.
Maybe back up to 47. Get a little.
Yeah, yeah, maybe a little bit higher than that, but somewhere between 47 and 49 if I got a decent sell swing. Again, that's a prior swing, so it should act as a little area that you could probably trade from. But it looks like
You're not going to get
right
it.
now.
That's what I'm saying, you're not going to get it. Getting your sell signal right here. There's your sell signal. There she is. Anybody get it right there?
Nice job, Gracia. 44.25 is your stop now on the ES. And YM, you kind of have to use 892. How many people still in on the short on the ES other than Gracia and Greg? Are you still in? Cool if you were. Might try to come get you here in a second, but no. All right, cool. So out of 100 and some people, 2 people took the trade.
2 people.
2 people. 100 and some people, 2 people took the trade. Good job, Gracia. Nice little trade. That was quick. I don't like it when the sell signals happen that fast. There was one.
Like right up to 47, like I said.
It did. Sure did.
Didn't give me the sell signal I wanted though.
Nope.
It's not a.
No rejection wicks. No.
That's not an awe-inspiring short.
Happened too fast to try to jump in the market too.
Oh yeah, don't chase. Now fail here might come back. Maybe not. I'm gonna keep my green. I just don't. This is not. Doesn't. It's too coin flip-ish right now.
Double top.
Yeah, there's your
Yeah.
wicks. There's your M. There's your. It's definitely tradable if somebody's quick with their entries.
Yeah, get your entry in there.
Yeah. I mean, I'm greens. I just don't want to give anything back, so I'm gonna keep it. I did, but bounced out quickly with a teeny. Anybody go short there?
Got a little bit of that. Hey, you sailor. Nobody grabbing it. Everybody's just watching today. So much money in the past couple weeks.
Just short.
Everybody's- I am giving
You gave you a nice. Man, I'll tell you what, Brian, you need to look at those first touches on the NQ, man. They are just, I mean, you just can't. Yeah, you can't. They don't miss.
Did just push up a little bit higher. What was that high there? Was that where I wanted to take it from too?
You said 49, and that's where it went to.
Between 47 and 49.
47, 49 is what you said.
Yeah.
My 47 would have worked. I just didn't. It was too quick for me to get in it. And then a second time up there, I thought, nah, I might break out, break up.
I'm looking for a little bit better. I'm looking for our little M. That's what I'm really looking for.
Right. Which we're not getting anything like that.
You're not getting that right now.
Here's a third time here. Let's see what it does.
I don't like it on the third time either.
If anything, a fail now, you're going back up to that zone probably. Up to that prior swing up there.
Which is already sold from 3 times today.
Right. There you go. Breakout traders could have took that too.
Just be careful. Those of you who are struggling to be profitable, look at
Yeah.
this stuff.
Do not trade this right
Be
now.
careful. Trade from the zones only. Those struggling to be profitable, don't look at these trades between zones. Just close your eyes. Hum something to yourself. Step away from your mouse. 12-step program. Don't trade anywhere but from the zones if you're struggling to be profitable. Why? You're going to have a higher probability of having the winning trade from the zone. Do you want me to prove it to you guys? Do I need to prove that, or do we prove it every single day?
Was that close to your zones
Yeah.
this morning? I'm moving this morning.
Yeah, no, that's pretty close.
How far off was I? I'm curious.
A couple ticks here and there.
Oh, really? Oh, well,
Yeah,
a couple
yeah.
ticks is not a big deal.
One was a little off, but that's not a big deal. But there's a valid case made. I thought Boss Hog did it. And I was like,
No, I did it. I did it.
I was looking back and I was like, there's a valid case to be made where that was too.
I was
Listen,
curious.
the-
I was
I
curious.
mean-
I was waiting to see if you were going to change them. I said, I know
This
he's going to look
area-
at these. Say, heck no.
The problem with this area is when we look back in the past, there were many valid zones,
Right. And
off
that's
of other zones. And
that's
we
I
just
think
had
what
to-
was throwing me.
we just had to pick what the better zone would be.
So
for
that's a
that
good
area.
question. That's actually a good question. So when you run into that scenario, what do you do?
Well, you'll find out in class this week.
How was that for a setup?
You didn't mean to do
But that is a real serious question because that is something that a lot of times you run into and
You're
it's
gonna
like,
have-
okay, what do
because
I do?
other institutions are trading from other spots. They're probably a few ticks away from, or maybe a point or two away from where institution A wants to trade from. So there's going to be other valid zones. You just want the highest probable zone, and we're going to talk about how to find the highest probable zone in class this week. Yeah, I can't look at shorts right now,
No.
people.
No, this is going back up to
I'd have to have the perfect M to trade here. If I really wanted to do it, it'd have to be the perfect M. Nice, Bourbon God. Das Bourbon God.
Das Bourbon God. Nice, Dorian. Good job.
Good job.
Oh man.
But look back at it, I would see that we had a nice little reversal pattern happen.
There's your
Nice little reversal pattern too. I don't know if I just can't get on the. On the
I know.
shorts
I
now.
was going to say that. I almost said there's your short, but then I started thinking I don't know if I want anybody jumping in on this.
Somewhat wonky M.
Just don't.
Did the
anything.
breakout, obviously.
W.
I know. I keep looking back at this, thinking, well, why did I not recognize this
Mm-hmm.
retrace W right here around 10, 20?
Because we were focused on shorts. There, that little low. Get a W here, maybe.
Yeah, somewhere between here.
That's a
and the first
valid
touch rule.
and the first touch rule. Yeah,
It's
that's
the
a
same
valid
area we
W.
want to trade from on the short wouldn't we want to trade from there on the long side? Right?
Yeah, I totally agree.
Hello, everyone. Miss Paulina here. Hopefully, you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room for live trade calls, visit the link in the description below to start a free 3-day trial. Please like, subscribe, and share.